Hi guys! Mayong gabi! Padong mi dito sa swimming pool guys. Kay open man sila until 9 p.m. and time check 7:30 pa. So napatay mga 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's go! So nasa 5th floor ang swimming pool guys. So excited! Let's go! So mauni lang elevator guys. Ito na ito sa 5th floor. Ching! So, padung na ito sulod guys. Aray mao na lang pool. So nice na siya dre guys. So na may kauban. Couple po sila. Hi baby. No diving. So pwede mo dre maglingkod. Naman sila yung table and chairs. Ayan, mo na yung view guys. Hindi lang kayo makita kay gabi na. Nice lagi siya dire. Another chairs.